Hi, I'm Deepak Patania and you're on dArtofScience, where you'll see a lot of DIYs and experiments that show science creatively. Recently, Cuemath, an edtech company, partnered with us to create some innovative math content. So we thought, why not visualize mathematical concepts in a tangible way? So in each of these videos, we took a real-world problem and explained it through math. First in the regular textbook way, and then we explained it through our trademark hands-on way, which you can even try and should try at home. Maths and DIY sounds interesting? We present to you the art of math.
I won! Okay, we should probably get something to eat.
I'm starving. Let's order pizza.
Okay, so 2 medium 10-inch pizzas are the same exact price as the 16-inch pizza. So we should get the 16-inch pizza.
Since 2 mediums are the same price as the large, why not order 2 medium pizzas? We'll both get more to eat.
Wait, it's not like that. Let me explain. See, the area of a circle is pi r square. So, in a 10-inch pizza, we'll get the area of 3.14 into 5 square, which equals to approximately 78.5 square inches. So, 2 of the 10-inch pizzas will give us around 157 square inches of pizza. But the 16-inch pizza, using the same formula, gives us around 200 square inches. See, 1 large pizza is bigger than 2 medium pizzas.
How's that possible? Though you must be right since you're a pro, but is there a way you can show this to me physically so then I can visualize it?
Probably. Actually, let's do this the Cuemath way.
With these props, we'll literally be able to see how one 16-inch pizza will give you an extra 7.5-inch pizza. But before we do that, let's start with understanding the relevant concepts of circles. Let us take this circle, which is made up of many concentric circles. Let's cut along its radius. And now it can be formed into a triangle. We can simply calculate the area of this triangle, and that will be the same as the area of the circle. We all know that the area of a triangle equals to half of its base multiplied by its height. The base of this triangle is the outermost circle, which is its circumference, and that we know is 2 pi r. The height of this triangle, as we know, is the circle's radius. So on substituting these values in the formula, we get area equals half into 2 pi r into r, which equals to pi r square. So the formula for the area of a circle is pi r square. So mathematically you already know that the 16-inch pizza makes more sense. But now for the first time you can actually see it happen. These are 2 10-inch pizzas and this one is a 16-inch pizza. Now let's see how the areas of the 10-inch pizzas fill up in the 16-inch pizza. The 2 10-inch pizzas are made up of rolled up self-adhesive rubber tapes. Now what we'll do is unroll them, while at the same time we'll roll the open side on the 16-inch pizza outer frame, so that whatever is left in the middle at the end will be the extra pizza. The whole process took a long time, so that's why the video is fast forwarded. You can see that I'm peeling the cover of the self-adhesive tape so that it can stick along the sides while it's being rolled up in layers. Now the first one is over, and let's do the second one. At home, if you want to try this, you could do it with a rope. The only reason why we didn't do it with a rope is because it doesn't roll tightly along the circumference, and therefore it shows less amount remaining at the end. Even though the tape rolls tighter, you can see that the remaining pizza is approximately 7 inches and not 7.5 inches. But that's acceptable in this demo. By ordering a 16-inch pizza, we get a bonus of almost 7.5 inch pizza for free. And this, you can send it to me.
Wasn't that a fun explanation?
Yes, now it makes sense to me. It was so cool to see it this way.
And if we want more crust, we should order 2 medium pizzas.
We'll now get almost 7.5 inch pizza for free just by understanding the maths behind it. Thanks, Cuemath. Let's enjoy!